Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I wanted to upgrade my workspace and I found these great monitor stand risers. They come in a set of two and it's seriously been a game changer for my desk setup. It actually has a way to do 3 levels of height. So you could adjust it to the different eye levels that you need. Maybe it will help with eye strain or neck pain or back posture so you're sitting a little bit better at your computer. So they're each built with a metal drawer. So I keep my supplies in there. It makes it nice and tidy, and everything's right there where I need it and in reach. Which also is cool is this phone holder that folds out and it's on both sides of the drawer. So that makes things really accessible. They can hold a lot of weight, up to 44 pounds. They're made of the premium steel. They're anti-skid. They have rubber on the bottom so they don't move. And they're perfect for heavy monitors or printers or even a small TV. Now I keep my laptop on here, and what's nice is it's got these star-shaped holes in there, so it keeps the airflow. They don't get overheated. There's no assembly needed. There's no tools needed. If you just want to adjust these, you just push the button and raise the legs. I really love them. They've been really a great game changer for my desktop setup, organization, easy access. I love them.